Your Mazda 6 key fob, for models from 2003 to present, uses a simple release tab to open the case for battery replacement. Locate the small button or lever on the back or side of the fob, typically near the keyring hole. Press this tab firmly inward or upward to disengage the internal clips. Once released, gently pry the two halves apart using your fingers or a non-metallic tool like a plastic pry tool or even a coin. The fob will split into front and back halves, revealing the internal circuit board and battery. Be cautious to avoid scratching the plastic. Once the case is open, you'll see the battery, typically a CR232 3-volt lithium coin cell, held in place by a small metal clip. Carefully remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Ensure it's securely in place. Next, snap the two halves of the key fob back together until they click securely. Double-check that the case is fully closed and that there are no gaps. Test the key fob to ensure it's working correctly by pressing the lock, unlock, and panic buttons. If it doesn't work, reopen the fob and ensure the battery is correctly oriented and making good contact. Automotive experts recommend replacing the Mazda 6 key fob battery every 1 to 2 years to avoid unexpected lockouts.